Hey guys, welcome back. Whew. So today is on Friday. I am still in town, as you can feel the honking and whatnots. So I am headed, I'm waiting for hubby to come so we can go. He wants to go work out. I'm not working out because I'm tired. I am super tired. So I'll be waiting for him, but as I wait for him, I'll go and have something to eat. He's fasting right now, so he can't eat anything. So I'll be taking myself out for dinner, but my dinner won't be that much because I want to eat a sandwich. We know this place which is in the same place where he's going to work out that sells these amazing sandwiches. So I want to go have that because I haven't eaten since when was the last time I ate? In the morning I had a coffee. So yeah, I want to go eat something, grab something to eat. As I said, I have been very busy, tired. I feel like my head is exploding because there's this consignment that came in yesterday. So it came in juicy, so guys are collecting the consignments. So I have been super busy. Besides that, I had an appointment today to do my nails, so I did my nails and they look awesome. They look beautiful. I didn't want so much done to them, so very simple. I love the shape, how it looks. It's more of a French. So I got this done by the same guy that does them, who he's harmonized. So yeah, now I want to take you with me to eat, cause why not? I am trying as much as possible to vlog because nowadays I've been getting to town really early. So yeah, I want to go have that sandwich. I'm really craving that sandwich. It's really good, a chicken sandwich. So yeah, I can see him coming, so let me catch you there. didn't save because she called me through my kabambe, and I think I didn't save. So I wrote her an email, but it's pretty early right now to really reply or check an email, because it was around 7. Right now it's around 9. As I said, I'm from Marikiti. I have these two huge boxes which I'm taking to the shop. They are dish racks and they are so huge. So if you're in my imports group, you know that we do the shipping. So yeah, all these have people already. So it's what actually brought me to town. Besides, I haven't been to town since Monday, I think, because on Tuesday nimekuwa na mjengo kwa nyumba. So yeah, I have guys who are we are renovating the house, so we do not have the kids, and there are some things I didn't have in the house, which is why I came to town to see if the lady will call. Besides that, I also have a meeting with 2 ladies at 12, so I had to be early. But right now this road has so much traffic. It's just traffic. Ukumbele. These are matatus, and I don't see cars ukumbele. But yeah, forgive me for this setup, because yeah, it's a lot going on, and then it's cold. I have been sick as well since Wednesday. So I was to meet with the lady on was it on Wednesday, but I've been sick. Nimekuwa na homa ingine mbaya and then coughing, but I'm feeling much better. I've been taking meds, so that is very, very nice. So let's go. I need to offload these ones, and then we check how the dish racks look like, and yeah, we see from there how the day goes. And also I'll be going to shop for some other things. It's also a cake crock. Hopefully I'll find what I want there, and I'm not sure if I'll go to the OTC this time round, because I have been making my own soaps, which is a plus. Guy, I look funny without my bling blings. When going to Marikiti, most of the time I don't wear my bling blings. So yeah, not even earrings. I haven't worn anything, literally. Just a scarf and a chain, which imefunikwa na scarf. So yeah, I have already talked to Faith to try and reserve me parking, because it's usually trouble. And I'll be leaving quite early today from town. I have to be at home by 2, because as I said, we are doing renovations, and so Happy is the one who's in the house right now, and I need to go so that he can go out. So yeah, let's get to Dubois. I'll show you the video of how you get to my shop, or to the shop, if you follow me on my imports group. That's where people collect their belongings from, which is why I have to take these ones there. So let's see you there. So this is Accra Road, the one that I'm in, and on this building, which is Superior Arcade, you go like this. I really do hate beeping people on the road. So you go you make sure you've gotten to and pass Excel Complex, but then again you go and pass Perida Center, which is right here. You will see the name, and then next up is St. Bakita, the green one. So it's that one right there. 1 minute. So this is St. Bakita, just outside. It's where I've parked. So Junction Stalls is in the next building. So you see there, that is Junction Stalls, so number B2. inside there. So I'll get home and connect one, because one is mine, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll connect it with you guys. In fact, I want to do away with the other one and take it somewhere else, or paint it black and take it to my house in the other house that I own. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm just from town. I'm quite tired actually. I'm quite tired. Anyway, I got a surprise. I don't know if I'm going to insert a video afterwards of some new consignment that I got. I got some watches come in, about 100 watches, and imagine how much I paid. I've paid $580, and in fact I paid $560 because I didn't see the 580-ish. I thought it's 560. I don't know what I was thinking in my mind, but I paid $560. It was supposed to be $560. Imagine for all those watches paying that little money. Well, it's little because I'm not used to paying less than $1,000 for any consignment that I bring in, but for that one I brought in it. Those are watches, about 100 watches. There are actually 102 watches. In Mombasa Road there's traffic, so sijui hata nitafika saa ngapi, but here I think I can see some guys wamevaa green hapa mbele. I think there's some construction kind of going on hapa mbele, yeah, but I also can see some border guys, so probably it's an accident, God forbid. But yeah, so I'm headed home. As I said, hubby needs to go do something with the car, and as I check, my phone is in the house as well. So yeah, I'm not sure I'm going to even pass by Carrefour. So if you have enjoyed, which I'm sure you have enjoyed this video, this vlog, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and also share. This video might help someone. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Cheers.